Welcome back. This video is all about the Earth. So again, I've got 10 facts. Number 1, 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. When astronauts first went up into space, they looked back down on the Earth for the very first time with human eyes, and they called our home the Blue Planet. So that's where you hear that from, the Blue Planet, because that's what the astronauts called it. It looks blue, certainly, you can see in that picture. Number 2, the Earth is the only planet that is not named after a Roman god or goddess. The other 7 planets in our solar system are named after those Roman gods or goddesses. Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn were all named in ancient times because they were able to be seen in the sky through the earliest telescopes. The Roman method of naming planets was still used when Uranus and Neptune were discovered many years later. Number 3, the Earth was once believed to be the centre of the universe. Of course, we now know that that's not true. We know that the Sun is the centre of our solar system. But due to the way the Sun, the stars and the planets appeared to move across the sky, ancient scientists thought that the Earth stayed still and everything revolved around us. Eventually, Copernicus discovered the theory that, or developed, I should say, not discovered, he developed the theory that the planets revolved around the Sun. Everyone thought that he was an absolute crazy nut, and some people were even jailed or put to death for believing him. Crazy. Number 4, the Earth is known as the Goldilocks planet. That's because it's located in the habitable zone. So this zone here where Earth and Mars reside at the moment. That means it's not too hot, it's not too cold. It is just right. It's the only planet that has an atmosphere that contains 21% oxygen, and it's the only planet that has liquid water on its surface, and it's the only planet in our solar system or anywhere in the universe that has been discovered so far that has life. So Earth has a large natural satellite, which of course is our moon. The Earth is the only inner planet to have one large satellite. Mars has 2 very tiny moons, and Mercury and Venus have none. Number 6, the Earth is very fragile. The Earth's crust is broken up into pieces on the surface of the Earth, and they're always moving. They don't usually move very fast, they move slow, but they're always just floating around on the surface of the Earth. So earthquakes and volcanoes are common where these pieces of land rub and move past each other. The Earth takes 365.25 days to complete its orbit around the Sun. So we generally say that an Earth is 365 days long. And then every 4 years we clump those 4 quarters that are left over and we add an extra day, which we call a leap year. And we add that, of course, to February. Number 8 is as the Earth travels around the Sun, it is also spinning on its axis. The Earth does one full rotation every 24 hours, one full day. The side of the Earth that faces the Sun has daytime, and the side of the Earth that is turned away from the Sun is having nighttime. Number 9 is the Earth is tilted. The Earth isn't straight up and down on its axis. It's tilted. And scientists think that this happened when Theia, a small planet, crashed into the Earth around the time of its formation. And you can see on the picture, here comes Theia, crashes into the Earth that was once upon a time straight up and down. When it crashed in, such force, it kind of decimated Theia. Theia got destroyed completely, but it wiped out half of our Earth, kind of, it looks like, smashed right into it, and bits of debris and rock were flung off back into space, and over time gravity pulled those bits of rock together to form our moon, and our planet's gravitational pull, the Earth's gravitational pull, is what keeps the moon in orbit around us. So the tilt of the Earth, this tilt, I just said that, didn't I? This tilted the Earth, and the debris from the collision formed the Moon. Number 10 is that the Earth has a very, very powerful magnetic field. So this is a drawing of the magnetic field of our Earth, and it's caused by the nickel-iron core in our planet and the planet's rotation. The magnetic field protects the Earth from those powerful solar winds, and it helps to keep our atmosphere hugging us like a blanket. Without our atmosphere, we'd be in danger of radiation from the sun. Oops, too far again. All right, that's it, boys and girls. That is all about the Earth. Bye.